Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off RCS messaging on your iPhone. This is a feature starting with iOS 18 and it is on by default. If you want to turn it off, this is a step you need to follow. So let's get started. First thing is we're going to go into our setting on our iPhone and scroll all the way down until you see apps here. And from there on, you're going to want to scroll all the way to the M section for messages and click on messages. And then scroll a little bit further down under text messages, and there should be a new feature available called RCS Messaging. If I click on it, as you can see here, by default it is enabled and turned on. And if you didn't want this, you wanted to turn it off and disable it, simply click on that toggle and you'll be able to disable RCS Messaging. Now if you don't see RCS Messaging option here, that means your carrier or your zone or the country that you're in might not even support RCS messaging, so there's nothing to actually turn off here. You can just leave it as is. But if you do have it, if you want to turn it off, you'll see the option and you can just simply turn it off. And that's how you turn off RCS messaging on your iPhone on the latest iOS update. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.